This is the best damn big three in the league. Maybe you could say OKC's is better, but to me, you're just not going to find a better collection of scoring and passing from any trio in the National Basketball Association. And unless you have OKC's defense where you just got elite athletes everywhere, how can you stop this big three? Lakers big three, 1 point shy of 100 points last night. Because what are you going to do? Double team Luka? Do you have a big enough defender for LeBron? And then once you figure all that out, you're going to put your third best defender on Austin Reeves? It's an advantage that the Lakers have that I salivated over all last year, but Luka was kind of out of shape. It got weird. But now, Luka's skinny, looks like the MVP. Now, Austin Reeves is a sure all-star, and LeBron is slowly but surely coming back from sciatica, which, by the way, makes me remember that real people out there genuinely suggested just a couple weeks ago that the Lakers should trade LeBron because he would ruin Austin and Luka's chemistry. Were they high? It's LeBron James. Did it ever come across their mind that this guy as a third option would just make an insanely awesome offensive dynamic?